Hi there, Robin here, and today we're going to be talking about this thermal craft. Now this is nice. It's 3-liter capacity and it's going to keep your hots hot or your cold cold, and you can pretty much put whatever you want in it as long as it doesn't have pulp, because it does use an air pump, which is manual, to run the system right on top. So easy to use. All you do is pick up that lid, the handle trigger gets into place, you take your cup, you put it underneath, pump it. There's no priming necessary. It just works. As soon as I stop, boom, it's going to let go. It's that easy, that quick to work. So this is a great machine to get, and I'm going to show you all the reasons why. One, just like we covered, very easy to set it up. Two, access inside is very nice. Now remember, use everything except anything with pulp in it. So I wouldn't want to put an orange juice that has pulp in it. Anything that's powder based or coffee or tea, that's going to work out really fine. Maybe you're going to make yourself some iced tea in here. Remember, hot or cold, your choice. Easy, you can pull it all apart, rinse it off. And what do I say when I pull it all apart? The pump inside just simply pulls out. Now remember, there's no batteries required. This just works simply by putting it all together and pumping. The back, to make it easy to wash, comes off. There's a press lever just in the back here, which is going to allow you to take it off. And then you have a handle. Handle will stay on, the top stays on. Drain it out, wash it out, and look at this. It even has a built-in lazy Susan, so it'll spin to the left and right. So to put it back together again, just drop the pump back inside. Again, this can be for hot or cold. And then to put the actual cover on, remember that little lockdown lid's going to go right in the back there. Push down in place. Then in the front, there's 2 buttons here. Just give it a push, put it down. It's all set. Need to carry it around, very, very safe. Need to spin it around just like that. Again, even when it's got 3 liters in it, it's easy to move around. So remember, this unit is 17 cups. And that's 3 liters, of course, and 101 ounces. So no matter which way you cut it, that's a lot. Also remember, this is all stainless steel, so even if it gets fingerprints, you can just wash it down, wipe it down, make it all brand new again. Makes it last a very long time. And it's not just cheap and chintzy, it has a lot of girth to it. There's the actual body and plastic on it. It's very, very solid. It's very thick, it's not flimsy, so it's definitely going to be there for when you need it. And it's great, summertime, wintertime, whenever you need it. If you're looking for a large capacity, 101 ounce stainless steel vacuum air pump craft, this might be the right one for you. I'd like to say thanks for watching. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.